Hello everyone! So today we are going to compare and contrast the Provisional cast-on as well as the 1x1 Tubular cast-on. I have two swatches here. This is the Provisional cast-on and this is the 1x1 Tubular cast-on. Now what brought this about is a few months ago, I cast on for The Weekender sweater by Andrew Murray, and it calls for a tubular cast on, a 1x1 tubular cast on, which I remember, I've done that cast on so many times. I remember exactly how to do it. So I cast on from memory. When I got about 8 inches into my project, I blocked my works, the sweater that I had going so far. And when I did that, I kind of thought, well, why isn't my cast on stretchy? The tubular cast on is stretchy. What did I do? And so I kept knitting. About 2/3 of the way through, it just hit me. I wonder if I worked the Provisional cast on instead. It's true, there's no stretch. I worked the Provisional cast on. While the sweater doesn't look bad, it actually looks really nice when I'm wearing it. What I'm concerned with is that because it doesn't have the stretch of the tubular cast on, is that should I catch this thread, it's going to break. As you can see, the Provisional cast on, you just have that dark blue yarn just travels all the way through. Now it's already the length it wants to be. It's not going to stretch. This is easily fixed by simply undoing the knot, pulling the Provisional cast on out, and using my needle to pick up the stitches as I go. And then I will do the tubular bind off. It's a sewn bind off. It's just the Kitchener stitch. That will be perfect. Now let's look at how the tubular cast on actually works. You see the stretch, but see how this thread here moves through the yarn and it makes it seamless. Now the bottom side of this, it really is seamless for the 1x1 Provisional cast on. However, there's no stretch. So anyway, I wanted to show that to you. I wanted to teach you what I have learned. I hope this helps you. I hope this has been a great tip. Have a fantastic week. Happy knitting!